One's unenlightened to the goodness that is my son.
The satellites I launched during the Obsidian World Tour are armed with sonic weapons, poised to obliterate the minds of anyone who didn't get the I Love Lexi upgrade. My satellites will be aligned to beam the kill frequency in about 5 hours.
I assume I will be safe without being brainwashed to love you, since I already do.
Of course, Mother. There's a special doohickey with your name on it.
And your sister. You can't kill her either.
Why not? She killed me first.
If you hurt your sister in any way, I will turn on you. And no amount of brainwashing will stop me. You'll be all alone, save for the sycophants you detest. Think of how tragic your father's demise was. Is that how you want to end up? Save your sister.
I just got your signal. Where are Eve and the others? William took her and her mom to Catco. She agreed to go on the record, tell him everything she knows about Lex. Well, that's amazing, but does William really think any article about Lex is going to help right now? How is that possible? Everybody thinks Lex is a hero.
I think it's worse than that. The program I was developing was supposed to expand the human mind, to do no harm. It was on the Obsidian platform, but I think Lex reworked it, rewiring the human mind so that they adored Lex when they were in the Unity Festival.
That's half the world's population.
What about the other half?
Eve told me about an experiment that Lex did on 2 mice. One